So we have got a mini roundabout coming up. I would like you to turn right at the next mini roundabout. Second exit to your right, please.
This one.
Yeah, please. Good. Okay. That's it. It's cancelled. So relax yourself. I want to talk about that mini roundabout we just did up there. So you were turning right. So you approach nicely. You have checked your mirrors and you signal to the right. So far, so good. So you've done your mirrors. You have signaled to the right. You position to the right. Yeah.
It was 8. It was 20.
Yeah. Your speed was good as well. So you slow down as well. But there's one more thing. It's telling you L. L means looking. Now, as you were approaching, you were looking where? You supposed to be glancing on your right, or where you think you were looking before you turn right? Go on.
There, you're supposed to look there.
You were looking ahead, isn't it? That car was
Yeah.
coming. But did you actually put any effort to look on your right that time, or you
No.
did not at all, isn't it? Yeah. So luckily there was nobody was coming. What if there was somebody coming who wanted to go in front of you? How would you have known that, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So whenever you're approaching on a roundabout, make sure, the reason why we do mirror signal positioning and we slow down, so we can start looking early. So look at me how we're doing. So as you're approaching, you glance, look ahead. So right and look ahead. If you know nobody coming from the right, the ahead, if it's your road, you can go. Like in that situation, there was a car coming, but he was not coming into our path, isn't it? We were going into their path. So you done the right thing there, but what you didn't do, you didn't check your right. Make sure you got to show the examiner that you have looked your right. You got to make it look obvious. You got to show them that when we're approaching, you have checked before you start proceeding to the further. Do you understood? Because otherwise, examiner may give you unwillingly a fault, even though nobody's coming. So because they have not seen your head movement, so make it obvious, please. Yeah. Okay, but don't do this. Just like glance, and if nobody coming, then you can go. Do you understand? Any problem? Any questions?
No.
No. Let's drive off again whenever you're ready, please, form.